You as a coach, or you as a parent, or you as someone who your children or your young people look up to, it is your responsibility to say, hold on, I need to step in here and just give you a little bit of guidance. I need to ensure and to prevent self-harm here. And how do we prevent self-harm? We teach them to build their own resilience, to develop their own sense of self, and we help them set realistic goals with realistic outcomes and realistic expectations. And if it's an insurmountable task that they are attempting, let's say, right, this is your end result. But what are the small steps in between that we need to take to achieve that goal? And over what time do we want to achieve that goal? And is it going to be achievable in this time frame?
And
That
be
is the big
easy on
thing that we
yourself
need
with
to
that
do.
timeline.
Exactly. If you break
Yeah.
it down into smaller steps. Now, in coaching, we call it chunking. So we break down things into
Yes.
smaller